I left my desk an absolute disaster, which is fine. It's all good. Let me flip through here, see where we left off. So we did the month of August. My nails do not match. Also, I painted them last night while watching Wayward on Netflix. Holy show. It is a lot. It is a lot. So you can see I've got some on my cuticle. We're just going to roll with it. We're just going to roll with it. This is the Hubman and Chubgirl Fairy. Is it Fairy? I can't remember what the kit is called, even though I just got it. Let me look. Fairy Garden. There it is, Fairy Garden. It comes with a lot of stickers, or you can mix and match, like you can put your own together of what you want. So I wanted to go through, got all these stickers. We finished the month of August, and I started in on the first week of August for setup. I am going to have to go back and actually plan everything in here. So I thought what we could do today is be a little decorative, go through and fill things in so it's actually ready to go. So I am doing an hourly horizontal for the last week of the last week of July. This is what happens when I backdate in my planners. It doesn't come out right. So I am back planning July 27th through August 2nd. Goodness. So I'm just going in here. Again, it's a horizontal layout, but it's hourly. And it's more like hourly clumps, not 1 through 23. I already did put down some, like I said, some stickers. Sorry, I got an eyelash in my eye. Dear eyelashes. Stay put. So I did put some stickers down there. So then I did a free form, kind of what I wanted for the week. And I'm going to need to grab my other pens. So let me see. I know a lot of you noticed that I had the pastel pencils. I don't know how to pronounce this company's name, but I will tell you they are by far my favorite pencils. And I saw on Walmart.com, I think it was, or maybe it was my local store, they have the matching erasers. And I'm like, why are they doing this to me? Why are they tempting me with these beautiful matching erasers, these silly gooses? So I'm just going to go in here. These are outlined circles that I used a mason jar lid for. This guy right here, just a regular canning lid, and I just put it down and doodly walked it. I don't want it perfect though, so I'm not going to use the canning lid to outline my pencil marks because I do want it a little bit, I don't want to say chaotic, but a little bit messy, a little bit imperfect. And there are 10 circles. I understand there are only 8 days of the week, but there were some other things that I wanted to try and track using this layout. I'll show you when I start filling it in. Again, the messier, like the more out of the line it is, the better. If you're looking for a quick setup layout, this one is definitely one of the many that I set up really, really fast. So then I'm going to put in, this is going to be Monday. And remember, we're back decorating. I'm going to eventually backfill it too with plans. This is our market list. Tuesday, Wednesday, I am so ready to decorate the house for fall. Wes is gone. He's in, where is he at today? I think he's in Virginia City. Don't quote me. He's somewhere in Montana. And he won't be back until the 23rd, which is roughly September, right? Like August 23rd is September. So I'm thinking if I decorate this weekend, he won't know until it's almost September. This is my justification. I painted my nails orange for a fall feel. Yeah, I'm definitely really considering it. Are you, so before I ask, I like to decorate from the fall till like January. That's my season of decorating the house. And I want to say I don't go overboard. Some years I do. Some years I have pine trees that are artificial pine trees that are decorated for my birthday, for Halloween, for Thanksgiving. Sure. But I also understand that some years I don't feel like, I don't want to do all that decorating. This year, guys, I have a feeling it's going to be overboard. Like I'm feeling like I really want to decorate this year. Like I really want the porch decorated, the house decorated. And the great thing is, because I've been doing this for a minute, I have a ton of decoration already. Like I don't have to go out and buy a bunch of stuff. Will I still buy things? Of course I will, because why not? Hashtag consumerism. I think I want to do the flowers. I really like the flowers. Although I love this little butterfly too. He does fit there. No, let's stick with this. Anyway, are you a decorator? Do you also enjoy decorating for the seasons and holidays? Some people are seasonal. Like, I have a friend who starts decorating in August for fall, which I love. Love that for her. And then she skips Thanksgiving. Like she has October up by September, I don't know, maybe 10th, 15th. She loves Halloween. So, and then she moves from Halloween right into Christmas, which I don't know that Wes would necessarily go for that. I take that back. If I brought home a dinosaur, Wes would figure out a way to build fencing to keep it in. I make him sound like he's so much trouble. He is not. He is easy. And you guys have been around for a minute, you know. He kind of has to be because he's got me. And yeah, I told him. Actually, I did. I felt like I should have said I asked him because telling people doesn't sound very nice. Wes and I have been married for 30 years. So yeah, we've been together for a minute. My codependency for him is for reals. For reals. Anyway, I was talking to him and I'm like, would you mind tilling up extra garden for next year? And he's like, no, not at all. He goes, as long as we can plant more beans. And I'm like, oh, heck yeah. Like we can plant whatever you want. And he's like, yeah, that's cool. That's totally fine. I don't know why I switched from the garden to decorating, but I did. It is that. Anyway, so this is going to be the week of August 3rd through August 9th. And then I don't have anything planned. What was I planning? Was I just planning on doing those two with you? I feel like I have a lot more to chat with you about. I think that was my plan though. Oh no! For the first time in filming, I've run out of layout and not topics. So I guess stay tuned. I love you. I hope you have an amazing weekend and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Bum, bum, bum. Dun, 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 dun.